So good afternoon to all of the members of the board, especially to our chairman, Mr. Mayo. And generally, that's why we talk about here and we go on for a meeting is because of the introduction of our new product line. Of course, as we know that our company is already existing 20 years since then. And we are being the #1 beverage company in the whole country. And by that, since there was a long term of existence of our company, our customers is now requesting for a new product line for our company. Now, because of these product changes, we have to make an analysis. First, we make a study about the demographics, about the changes and the demands of our new product. Of course, our new product is all about energy drink. Why there is a need for energy drink? Because the people in our country are more eating health conscious right now. There is a big demand for gym and fitness center. That is why our company, the #1 beverage company,
hindi kasi para sa kayo,
our company,
ang dalawa ni Ipon ulit.
now our new product. What is innovative, what is unique about this product is that it has contained minerals that help electrolyte replenish through daily activity or lost through daily activities. That is why we are producing it to see how our company will see through with this demand. So, Mr. Chairman, what do you think? I have Board of the Directors. We agree. So, as we have seen, I am the representative for advertising and I also call the department for advertising in our company. That is why next week is the launching of our product as well as for the launching of our new commercial. So, that's right.
Ngayon na ba yung upo dyan? Punta ba sa bahay? Para pag sa inyo ko na sa bahay. Oo, syempre.
Fred, ang bobo mo naman!
Ay!
Makatawa mo ha? Ayan, sumira, bilisan mo naman. Ano ba? Hoy! Tara pare, doon na tayong TV. Sakta ng ulo ko. Ano? Tara tayong TV. Oh, baka may magandang palabas ngayon. Uy, Mario!
Uy, grabe yung remote yan, coach.
Halika na! Biyahe tayo! Maglamon, mag-dive sa TCU! Ano ba yung commercial na yan? Pangit naman.
Huwag ka malon.
Ikaw ba'y naglalambot at laging inaapi?
Ay.
Boy, 300.
Wala na nga ako pero yung utusan nyo pa ako. Kasi wala ka to. Kawawa naman yun. Do! Good energy drink contains mineral to help replenish electrolytes lost through daily activity. Captain Barney! Available nationwide for just only 10 pesos. Kaya ano ba ang hinihintay nyo? Bili na! Lakas mo, lakas ko, nasa boteng ito! Product of Flower Company. Pare, mukhang maganda yung commercial na yun ah. Tara, bili tayo nun. Sige pare, tara. Bili na po kayo! Hoy! Dito kayo! Murang-mura lang ang 10 pesos. Diyan, ano ba? Nakaagaw ka ng customer ng may Ikaw ang mga ano. Ayaw ko na lahat. Nag-aaway yun.
Ano ba? Ano ba nagkakalat mo? Magsarila nga tayo ng tindahan, baka makulang tayo na makukulang kung kapitbahay.
May mga hula sa maklaran. Sige na
That is why the advertising department have studied all about it. We in the this scale we shows that we have the maturity
Hindi pa yan, hindi
stage.
pa yan.
That's why we are experiencing declining because of many things. First is that the department is having a problem with our demand because there is a new demographic scale in our company. That is why more women now are using the gym and fitness sector. Mas marami ng babae na nangangailangan ng fitness drink. That is why our company decided to make a change on food energy drink. And that is why our company, instead of making a commercial, we will be launching a party, a people's party to introduce our new product. First, let's talk about our product. Dear members of the board, I would like to present to you the new product of the Flower Company, the Pink Dude Energy Drink. It is exclusive for female gym and fitness center user. That is why this new product is for female trend because the new trend now uses mostly by the female. So what do you think, Mr. Chairman?
I agree.
Na naman.
The board? I agree. So the members of the board, we decided by the advertising company that next week we will be launching the People's Party. Welcome to the People's Party of the Flower Company.
Hi.
Today, we are hereby to call on our consumers to please try our new product. We have changed the new taste of our Dude product, the energy drink. Please welcome the new taste, the new coolness of the Pink Dude energy drink. To present, let us call on the Sex Balls and Captain Barney.
Alangan ko na naman, bakla pala si John Lee. Ano ba yan, Perno?
Nana, ano naman ako sa'yo?
Bakla si John Lee, ngayon ko lang nalaman.
Pink na pink!
Gwapo mo dyan, dapat yan ang sinuot mo, bobo ka.